To get money from Albert, you will need to use the Albert mobile app, which is a financial service that offers instant cash advances and other financial tools. First, download and install the Albert app from the App Store on your device. Once installed, create an account and provide the required information, including your name, email address, and phone number. Next, link your bank account to the Albert app, which will allow you to receive cash advances and track your spending. To link your account, you will need to provide your bank account and routing numbers. Albert uses advanced security measures to protect your financial information, so you can feel safe when linking your account. After linking your account, you can request a cash advance from Albert. The app will review your financial information and offer you a cash advance based on your income and spending history. If approved, the cash advance will be deposited into your linked bank account. To get the most out of Albert, it is essential to use the app responsibly and only borrow what you can afford to repay. Albert offers a range of tools and features to help you manage your finances, including budgeting and savings tracking. By using these tools, you can improve your financial health and avoid debt. In addition to cash advances, Albert also offers a range of other financial services, including bill tracking and payment reminders. The app can help you stay on top of your bills and avoid late fees, which can save you money and improve your credit score. Overall, getting money from Albert is a straightforward process that can provide you with the financial assistance you need. By following these steps and using the app responsibly, you can access cash advances and other financial tools to help you achieve your financial goals.